I brought with me several examples, introductory examples of augmented reality applications that I would like to share with you now. Here's the first one, that's Atlas. Atlas is a mixed reality installation by Yann Deval and Marie-G Losseau, where you can sprout houses in a smart glasses application, dropping the houses onto the space of the real world. And what I particularly like here about the artwork is the way it handles the experience. So step by step, second by second, there's always something new happening. The user is drawn bit by bit more into the actual experience, and there's always something further happening. Like, for example, the possibility to first explore the map of the space in which the installation is played, and then subsequently plant houses, but also then look inside of a house to see a video with the making of and many other things. Here you can see an example of the map rolling out. And that also changes over time what you actually see. So the second example I have brought with me is from our work in the WEKIT project, from a surface simulator of Mars that our project partner Altec maintains, where we tested a augmented reality training application together with project partners and with Altec in Turin in Italy. And the coolest feature that I want to show you here is kind of Ghosts on Mars. It illustrates to you how you can use sensors built into smart glasses, but also additional sensors that you can see on the left on the guy's back, for example, additional inertia measurement units that are mounted there and are communicating with the application to deliver what you see on the right, a ghost that has been recorded of an expert. So you have to imagine that this abstract stick figure here moves and talks with the voice of the expert, indicating body position, but also where the expert points with the forearm. That was certainly a highlight feature that came out of the work we did in the WEKIT project. I brought another example with me today from the work we did with Lufttransport in Tromsø in Norway, where you can see how the WEKIT software is put into action for the maintenance of air ambulance planes. It shows you how a wheel removal procedure on an actual airplane is trained. It will start off with some calibration procedure where you can see how the experience is actually relocated based on one single physical marker stuck to the nose of an airplane. This allows to transfer experiences from one hangar to another, from one particular airplane parked in that orientation to another one. And the second step that we can see here that is relevant then is locking in the task list and orienting where the action subsequently will take place. That's done with these floor lines. And then the action starts, and I'm going to jump through that now a little bit and show you a few highlights where you can see here another ghost explaining something, or here then an example disassembly video, plus in a second, I think on the right also the 3D model of how you actually have to take that thing apart. This is real time. You can see that within 5 minutes, even an adept like me has learned how to successfully take off a airplane's nose wheel, and in a video I'm not going to show, so how to take it back on again. Grease it, lubricate it, check it, and take it back on again, without damaging the plane, I should mention. And finally, I have here an example of one of my PhD students, Will, who built with some colleagues from Oxford University a phantom bowling application linking the AR smart glasses experience with input from an EMG armband. EMG electromyography allows to sense muscle activity, and the armband then furthermore provides IMU sensors for orientation and acceleration and the like, and that allows to build a muscle-controlled bowling application for amputees. Here we're calibrating it first, and you can see that the virtual arm and the hand movement is then used to control the dropping of the ball into the bowling alley.
Only gutter balls. Oh, it's good.
Yeah, these are a couple of examples, introductory examples of what currently is possible with augmented reality, and I hope it inspires you in your subsequent work.